Hey everyone, welcome back to Forthcoming Tech. Today, we have some exciting news about Qualcomm's upcoming flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest tech updates. Now, let's dive right in. According to recent rumors, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is set to deliver a significant performance boost over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This new chip is expected to feature custom ARM cores designed by Qualcomm, likely with a new core configuration that eliminates efficiency cores. It's rumored to have 2 big cores and 6 medium cores, utilizing TSMC's advanced 3nm process. Qualcomm has confirmed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be unveiled in October, with Xiaomi expected to release the first phone powered by it. Early reports hinted at substantial performance gains, but initial benchmarks from an engineering sample suggested only modest improvements. However, well-known leaker Digital Chat Station reassured us that these benchmarks were from a lower-frequency version of the chip. The latest information indicates that the cores in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 run between 3.6 GHz and 4.0 GHz. Leaked benchmark scores showed around 2,700 points in the single-core test and 10,000 points in the multi-core test. While these scores mark a substantial increase compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, they still fall short of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's performance. However, Qualcomm likely has some final optimizations to make before the official release, which could improve these scores. Digital Chat Station also mentioned that the first phone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, expected to be the Xiaomi 15, will launch in mid-October. Now, let's move on to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series, which is set to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. We'll cover the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide if it's worth the wait. For my regular viewers, you might have seen this already, so feel free to skip to the next video. But if you're new, stay tuned. Starting with the Galaxy S25, it features a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340x1080, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. On the back, it has a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. The Galaxy S25 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or possibly the Exynos 2500, offering 8 GB of RAM with storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB. It houses a 4000 mAh battery supporting 25W fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, running on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. Expected release is January 2025 with a price around $800. Next, the Galaxy S25 Plus features a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3088x1440, using Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. The back setup includes a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2500, it offers 12 GB of RAM with storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. The S25 Plus features a 4900 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Expected price is around $1,150. Finally, the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3088x1440, featuring Samsung's M13 OLED panel. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, it includes a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. The S25 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all regions, offering 12 gigabytes of RAM with storage options up to 1 TB. It houses a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Expected price is around $1,199. With such powerful hardware, the Galaxy S25 series is poised to dominate the market. The combination of Qualcomm's latest chipset, advanced display technology, and superior camera systems makes these devices highly anticipated. So what does all this mean for the average user? Let's break it down. For everyday users, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 should provide a smoother, faster experience. Apps will open quicker, multitasking will be seamless, and high-performance tasks like gaming or video editing will be more efficient. The improved AI capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will also enhance features like photography, voice recognition, and smart assistant functionalities. Gamers will particularly benefit from the increased performance and efficiency. Expect better frame rates, faster load times, and more immersive experiences without the fear of overheating or rapid battery drain. Future-proofing is another major advantage. As apps and services become more demanding, having a powerful chipset ensures your device remains capable and responsive for years to come. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's capabilities also extend to enhanced connectivity features. With support for the latest 5G standards, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, your device will be ready for the next generation of wireless technology. This means faster download and upload speeds, more stable connections, and better overall network performance. Now, let's circle back to the upcoming devices powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, starting with the Xiaomi 15 expected in October. Xiaomi has been known for offering high-performance devices at competitive prices, and with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, they're likely to continue this trend. That's all for today's update. Remember, these details are based on rumors and leaks, so take them with a pinch of salt. If you find any mistakes or missing information, let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us improve. What are your thoughts on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 series? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe Forthcoming Tech and hit the bell icon for the latest rumors and leaks.